Hello, my name is Edward Brent. Today I will focus on hydraulic fracturing and the technical challenges associated with it. Here's the brief list of the things I'm going to mention today, starting with the definition. Hydraulic fracturing, often referred to as fracking, is a method of recovering oil or natural gas from deep layers underneath the earth by a pressurized liquid. This liquid is also known as fracturing fluid and is made up of water, propellants, and chemicals. There are two types of wells, vertical and horizontal. The process starts with a shaft being drilled vertically to about 1.5 miles into the earth, where a cement is forced between the casings in the first few thousand feet to prevent contamination of the groundwater. Then a horizontal hole is drilled into the gas-bearing layer of the rock. From there, fracking fluid is pumped into the opening to produce tiny cracks. The propellant within the fluid prevents the cracks from closing, and various chemicals within the fluid are responsible for compressing the water, killing off the bacteria, dissolving minerals, and preventing corrosion in the pipes. Majority of the fluid is pumped back out in order to start the recovering process of the natural gas. Once natural gas is exhausted, the drilling hole is sealed off by cement plug. Alright, I'm going to start with fracking types. There are two major types. High rate fracking, which is fracking associated with slick fracking fluids. Because of the reduced friction, it allows the fluids to be pumped more quickly. This type of fracking generally causes the network of small, spread out microfractures, whereas high viscosity fracking uses high viscosity fluids or that are concentrated with propellant, which creates large, more dominant fracks within the rock. So there are four major hydraulic fluids that are used in fracking. The conventional linear gels, these are the cellulose derivatives, guar or its derivatives, and some other chemicals. Borate cross fluids, these are guar-based fluids that are cross-linked with boron. There's also organometallic cross-linked fluids, which are zirconium, chromium, antimony, and titanium salts that are cross-linked with guar-based gels. And finally, there is aluminum phosphate ester oil gels. Aluminum phosphate and ester oils are slurred together to form a cross-linked gel. With that being said, there are several technical challenges to be mentioned. Fracking process requires a large amount of water, anywhere from 1 to 8 million gallons of water to complete each fracking job. This demand can deplete a local water source. In addition, it takes about 40,000 gallons of chemicals to do the job. Specifically, there are over 600 different chemicals, including carcinogens and toxins. This has the potential to pollute groundwater, which, as it was shown in several studies, traditional water purification methods cannot fully treat this fluid. Another important challenge involves natural gas and hydraulic fluid leakage. Natural gas containing greenhouse gases, as it is mainly made up of methane, which contributes to the global warming. Unrecovered hydraulic fluid in fracking wells upon natural processes that cause earth movement, ground movement, such as earthquakes, can cause leakage in hydraulic fluid. Poor piping and sealing, leakage of either of those fluids can cause severe environmental and health damage. Fracking fumes play a vital role in air contamination. Some chemicals that are known as volatile organic compounds are left in the storage pits during the recovery process of the gas. These chemicals can evaporate into the atmosphere, yet posing another environmental and health risks. Some of those VOCs include benzene, toluene, ethylbenzene, and xylene, among with other fumes such as unrecovered natural gas and nitrogen oxides. All those things have shown to cause birth defects, blood disorders, and cancer for those living near them. In conclusion, hydraulic fracturing is a controversial topic, although it provides an energy source which meets the energy demand and makes the United States less dependent on unstable fuel imports. Studies have shown that fracking itself can be unstable and harmful. In order to change public opinion in favor of fracking, technical challenges must be solved. These challenges, as described in this presentation, depletion, pollution, and purification of groundwater, chemical leakage, and air pollution must all be appropriately addressed with viable solutions. Thank you.